So for question number A7, Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would pay interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Now here they are asking two different questions. The amount credited against her name at the end of 2 year, means what amount she will get at the end of 2 year, and secondly the interest for the third year, only the interest of the third year. So there are two different way, but first of all we will learn by one of the method, that is amount credited after 2 years. So amount is equal to P1 plus rate upon 100 raised to n. Here compounded annually. Annually means no need to write down 2. So here 8,000 is the amount, 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. So 8,000, it will become 105. 100 plus 5 as LCM taken common for this. So 8,000, it will become 105 raised to 2. So 80,000, sorry 8,000 into 105 into 105, 100, 100. So we can cancel it by 0. One more. So you will receive 8 into 105 into 105 divided by 10. So you will get some amount round about 20,000. This one. So if we cancel it out, we will get rupees 8,820. This is amount after 2 years. Okay. Now they are asking what the first one is completed, amount received after 2 years, credited under account. So okay, so rupees 8,820 will be credited in Maria's name. Okay, against Maria's name, that will be okay, or in Maria's name account or something like that. Now second question they have asked that the interest for the third year. So directly if 1 year interest we calculated, we will get the answer. Okay, so suppose interest for the third year. So interest of the third year will be, this will be the principal amount for third year. Okay, and we can get the answer, that is PRT upon 100. This is 1 year का निकाल लेंगे, will be the third year. So 5% into 1 upon 100. So 8, 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 4, 4 1, means rupees, sorry, 4 4 1. This will be the interest received in third year. This is the second one answer you require. दूसरा भी एक मेथड है क्या सर, उसी तरह 3 ईयर का अगर हम निकालते तो 3 ईयर का अमाउंट मिल जाता, वी विल गेट द अमाउंट फॉर द 3 ईयर्स, एंड वो जो अमाउंट मिलता उसमें से ओके। तो सेकंड तरीका भी दिखा देता हूँ मैं आपको। ओके, इसे मैंने कैलकुलेट करके रखा था। दिस इज द सेकेंड वे। ये फर्स्ट तरीके से कर लिया हम लोग ने। सेकेंड वे में अमाउंट फॉर द थर्ड ईयर 3 ईयर का निकालूंगा तो आई एम गेटिंग 9261। ओके, ये 2 ईयर का निकाला था, वैसे 3 ईयर का भी निकाल दिया। अब इंटरेस्ट रिसीव फॉर तो दिस वन, ओके, और ये फर्स्ट वन, तो इसमें से ये माइनस कर दिया, आई एम गेटिंग द दिस वन। और अगर ये नहीं करना है तो ये वाला मेथड, दिस वन directly also for the third year, as you keep this is an amount 5%, and for 1 year you will get this much interest credited after 3 year, third year. Okay, third year. So both the way you feel easy, you can do it.